Hey guys, it's me, Anzoe Dog YT, and today I'm very excited to bring to you guys my Christmas special. Happy holidays to everyone and Merry Christmas to everyone who celebrates it. Um, I hope you guys enjoy this Christmas special. It's going to be broken up into a few parts actually. This is part one where I'm going to be unboxing the Motorola A630 on Singular. I also got some other phones in my collection for Christmas. Got this Nokia device on track phone. This is the Nokia 2285. So very excited to be unboxing that. These are both brand new devices. This one's open box but brand new, and then this one is sealed. I also got a Sharp TM150 on T-Mobile. I don't know when I'm gonna get the video for that done. Probably tomorrow, if I can imagine. And I have another device coming in, which I'm not gonna say what it is. All I'm gonna say is that it's a prototype of the released version of the device. But I'm gonna get that in soon. So yeah, guys, let's start off with the unboxing of the Motorola A630 on Singular. This phone is brand new and it's very, very rare. This one, I can't wait to review this one once I have it all set up. I'm assuming it's going to turn on because, well, it's brand new, so I'm sure it'll work. Here's the device itself. Cute little messaging device. Kind of reminds me of the LG Envy and like devices like that. Comes with this Motorola charger. This is I'm not sure if this is a mini USB one or if this is a proprietary one. It's actually good because I've been needing one of these chargers to test out some devices that are Motorola devices that I have in my collection that I haven't. I'm not sure if I've reviewed those ones yet, guys. I'm sorry if I sound a little hyperactive in this video. I'm just so excited to get such cool rare phones. And it's Christmas, which, them being Christmas gifts makes it even better. So put the charger to the side. Here's the back cover, standard. Here's your owner's literature. Got the accessory guide, or the getting started guide. Got this little Singular Express mail pamphlet. I guess if you it's just saying all of the, the express mail, client services and all that you would have used back then. Here's the Moto manual that it came with. Wish I had the Moto manual to my other Motorola devices, like my V360 and stuff like that. And here's the lithium-ion battery that it comes with, brand new. This is a 3.6 volt lithium-ion battery. And yeah, I cannot wait to turn this thing on. I'm not going to be doing that in this video. That'll come after in the review video that I'm going to make, which will be separate. But yeah, guys, I guess I'll assemble the phone, or at least peel the plastic off, because I know that that's a very desired thing with phone unboxings. I mean, I've done it before, when I did the Samsung Illusion unboxing back in the fall. So yeah, go ahead and peel the plastic on this back cover and open it up. Brand new. I don't know how I'm this good at sourcing brand new old stock phones off of eBay. I don't know how I do it, but somehow I was able to find this thing. I forget the eBay seller who sold me this, but thank you to whoever that was. And did this come with a SIM card? I'm trying to see if this thing came with a SIM card, because I think it's supposed to. I mean, I know it's brand new, so it should have, but it has a SIM card slot right there, so it's fine. I have a singular SIM card if it needs it. And I have an AT&T one as well, so that should be fine. Yeah, didn't come with a SIM card. Nope. Huh, that's rather strange. But anyhow, thank you guys so much for watching this quick unboxing of the Motorola A630 on Singular. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing as a part of the Christmas special series that I'm going to be running for a few days. And yeah, guys, I'm so excited. And I'm going to be able to test all these other Motorola phones out because I have this charger. So I got a T720 in the first phone lot I made the video of with the second phone lot with the Samsung devices on T-Mobile and that Motorola Sliver L7, but I haven't been able to see if it works. So now I'll be able to test that one out, and that'll be in a further video. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, almost forgot to peel the plastic on the screen. Mom tried to get that to sound ideal, but not sure if it did. They weren't that great, but hope you guys enjoyed that screen pill action there. Yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed part 1 of my Christmas series. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for part 2 where I unbox the Nokia 2285 on track phone. All right, guys. Happy holidays. Cheers. Bye-bye.